ICSE Mathematics Class 9, Chapter 6, Exercise 6. Question number 10. If 1 is added to the numerator of a fraction, it becomes 1 by 5. If 1 is taken from denominator, it becomes 5. It becomes 1 by 7. Find the fraction. Answer 10. लेट यहाँ थीम यह है कि अगर एक फ्रैक्शन के नुमरेटर में एक जोड़ दिया जाता है तो वह फ्रैक्शन 1/5 हो जाता है। अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर से एक घटा लेते हैं तो उसका मान 1/7 हो जाता है। फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन, ऐसे फ्रैक्शन को हमें प्राप्त करना है। लेट द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ ए फ्रैक्शन बी x एंड डिनोमिनेटर बी y, द रिक्वायर्ड फ्रैक्शन इक्वल टू x by y। फर्स्ट कंडीशन x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by 5. 5 into x plus 1 is equal to y into 1. 5x plus 5 equal to y. 5x minus y is equal to minus 5. Equation first. Second condition, x by y minus 1 equal to 1 by 7. 1 into y minus 1 is equal to 7x. 7x is equal to y minus 1. 7x minus y is equal to minus 1. Equation second. Equation first minus equation second. 5x minus y is equal to minus 5. 7x minus y equal to minus 1. Minus plus plus. Y is considered by y. Minus 7x plus 5x is equal to minus 2x. Minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Minus is considered minus and x is equal to minus 4 by minus. S is considered minus 4 by minus 2, that is x is equal to 2. Put s is equal to 2 in equation first. 5x minus y is equal to minus 5. 5 into 2 minus y is equal to minus 5. 10 minus y is equal to minus 5. Minus y is equal to minus 5 minus 10. Minus y is equal to minus 15. Y is equal to 15. Required fraction is x by y, that is 2 by 15. Question 11. If the numerator of a certain fraction is increased by 2 and denominator by 1, the fraction becomes equal to 5 by 8, and if the numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1, the fraction becomes equal to 1 by 2. Find the fraction. यहाँ इस क्वेश्चन की थीम ये है कि अगर नोमरेटर को 2 एवं डिनोमिनेटर को 1 बढ़ा दिया जाए तो फ्रैक्शन 5/8 हो जाता है। अगर हम नोमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को ही 1 कम कर देते हैं तो फ्रैक्शन 1/2 हो जाता है। फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन, कैसे फ्रैक्शन को हमें प्राप्त करना है। क्वेश्चन आंसर 11. लेट द न्यूमरेटर बी x एंड डिनोमिनेटर बी y. रिक्वायर्ड फ्रैक्शन इज इक्वल टू x by y. फर्स्ट कंडीशन x plus 2 by y plus 1 is equal to 5 by 8. 8 into s plus 2 is equal to 5 into y plus 1. 8x plus 16 is equal to 5y plus 5. 8x minus 5y is equal to 5 minus 16. 8x minus 5y is equal to minus 11. Second condition, x minus 1 y minus upon y minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 1 into 1 y minus 1. 2x minus 2 is equal to y minus 1. 2x minus y equal to minus 1 plus 2. 2x minus y is equal to 1. Equation second. Equation first minus 4 into second. 8x minus 5y is equal to minus 11. 8x minus 4y is equal to 4. Minus plus minus. Here 8x considered by 8x and minus 5y plus 4y equal to minus y, and minus 11 minus 4 is equal to minus 15. Minus is considered by y, minus y is equal to 15. Put y is equal to 15 in equation first. 8x minus 5y equal to minus 11. 8x minus 5 into 15 is equal to minus 11. 8x minus 75 is equal to minus 11. 8x is equal to minus 11 plus 75 equal to 8x is equal to 64. X is equal to 64 by 8 is equal to 8. Required fraction is equal to x by y, that is 8 by 15. That's all.